So today I'm going to be showing you how to do a pop and bang map with hondata for the fn2 Type R, and I think it might work on any 8th gen Civic. I'm not too sure yet. It's up to you to really try it. I'm not going to say it's good for your engine because it's not good for your exhaust valves, but it sounds cool. I've been running it for about well over a year now maybe. I've had no issues, so as I say, it's completely up to you. It's quite simple to do and I'll show you how to do it now. Right, so you start by going into calibration. It's been a bit slow, I don't know why, so sorry about that. Then we'll go from calibration to ignition. Ignition low, I'll bring up your low fuel table. Now, originally I've got other videos up on YouTube and I've run it from -10 on my ignition in the first column there, 0 degrees, 10 degrees, 20, 30, 40, all the columns there as you see. I've ran only this column here, so the first row, ignore that part there, I never used to run that, it just makes louder bangs basically. So I ran it from 4,000 RPM to about 250 or 2,500, I can't remember now, but anyway, that's what I used to run. I've now changed it so it's through a shorter period there, so that's only 3,000 to 4,000 RPM, and done both columns for louder bangs. So basically if I change gear anywhere, so it'll drop into gear in 4,000, or if I change from there and it'll drop into lower, it'll still pop and bang on a gear change. But you've got to make sure you go through all the degrees of the, just along there at the top. Then if you want to do it in your higher ignition, that's basically for when you're in VTEC. I've done it all the way along there and you get some fucking mega bangs there. I have now changed my overrun fuel cut to be a bit lower, because that there, I used to have it even a lot higher there. They had these all up to 1,000, I think it was. I think it was a 1,000. What was it? Yeah, 1,000, 10 seconds. So I'd let off and it would just bang, 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 non-stop. But now I've cut it down and just have it so it does 1 or 2 bangs. You can work it out what's best for your own car, and just however you prefer to have it really. So that's all you really need to do. Do not adjust your fuel, just play with your ignition and that's it. Right, we'll now go do some examples. I was going to put the GoPro on the back of the car, but I don't really want to run it on the back of the car now because my car's quite dirty and I don't want to lose the GoPro. So I'm literally just using my phone. I'm going to put the phone on the floor somewhere, drive past it, maybe full throttle, or I don't know yet, to see what it's like out there. Then I'll do a few in-car shots maybe, if I can find anywhere to put my phone. So let's go. So let her warm up just a touch. As I say, I don't want to be sticking shit to it because it's quite dirty, but I'll have to do. As you say, you've got them filthy all over, bug splats, continual dirt all over. Right, so we'll try do a few gear changes now. See if you can hear it. As I say, I don't know what it'll be like picking it up on camera, but this is basically it. Try with the windows down. industrial estate now, just so I can show you better. This is changing gears. And let off. Flip the throttle and you get more. Windy as hell. I'm trying to get some flybys and I've tried twice. My phone's fell over both times, so I'm gonna keep trying. I'll get one somehow, or a few somehow. Wish me luck. There's a few more done. I think it's time to get out of here before I get some shit. So I don't know how that looked or sounded, to be honest. I haven't checked it out yet, but I'm hoping they're okay. And that's basically it. That's how you make your car pop and bang and get flames. I don't even know if it'll show flames. It usually works like top end of revs. I'll stick the GoPro on the back of the car again one time. Maybe do another video if anyone wants any tips on like how to do flat foot shift on hondata and just anything really. Just if you have any questions, just drop them below in the comments. Give it a like as well, because it's my first proper video.